Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by NCRT Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, NCRT, that is National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, has released the recruitment notification for Assistant Manager Finance on direct recruitment basis. So these are permanent vacancies. Here if you see at serial number 1 there is a vacancy for Assistant Manager Finance. It's a E2 grade level vacancy. Here the pay scale will be in the range of 50,000 to 1,60,000. There are total 3 vacancies and open for all candidates. The cutoff date as on 14th September 2024 required is up to 40 years. So age is pretty much high. Nature of employment, as I already mentioned, is a direct recruitment, that is a regular capacity. So all 3 vacancies are permanent basis and not contractual. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Again, the cutoff date for eligibility is 14th September. For Assistant Manager Finance E2 level grade, the qualification asked is either a chartered accountant or a cost and management accountant, or you should be a MBA finance or postgraduate diploma in management finance or its equivalent. So if you are having a dual degree, say MBA from marketing as well as finance, you are eligible to apply. Now job description is also mentioned. Here you will be involved in taxation, direct, indirect taxes, preparation of corporate accounting, fare box, non-fare box, revenue, treasury management, then vetting of estimates, tendering and bid evaluation, passing of bills, claim, MIS, etc. So routine account and finance job. Now here you also need to have an experience of minimum 5-year post-qualification experience asked in corporate account, financial management, taxation, treasury management, process of tendering and bid evaluation, then vetting of contract, offer estimates, etc. in PSU, preferably infrastructure of metro rail, and SAP and ERP knowledge is preferable, though it is not mandatory. If you are having this knowledge, it will be advantage for you. Now skill set asked is advanced knowledge of accounting principle and Ind AS, knowledge of public procurement rules, experience in working in ERP and SAP system, and advanced knowledge of income tax, GST, customs, etc. Here the requirement of current pay scale, if you are already working, then you need to meet a minimum pay scale, then you will be eligible. So for central, you should be in a level 10 pay level of 56,000 to 1,77,500, then you are eligible to apply. Or L9 53 100 to 1,67,800 or above, then you are eligible. Or last 3 year of service in pay scale of 47,600 to 1,51,100, then you are eligible. For IDA candidates, you should be in the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000, that is E2 grade or above, then you are eligible. Or last 3 years service in pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 E1 grade, then you are eligible. So if you are applying based on L8 or E1 level, then you need to have 3 years of service experience in that particular pay grade, then you will be eligible. And if you are working in a private sector, your minimum CTC should be 10 lakh or above, then you are eligible. Now remuneration, as I already mentioned, apart from the basic pay, you will be paid DNS allowance and all other perks and perquisites as per the company's rule. Place of posting, selected candidate may be posted at any office, workplace, project, unit of NCRTC or its subsidiary or joint venture. Important dates for an online application is already started from 14th September. Closing date for online application is 13th October 2024, and the written examination date will be notified by them on their website at the later date, and admit card will be issued 10 to 15 days before examination. Now selection process, very important. Friends, your selection process will comprise of written test which will have 80% weightage and interview that will have 20% weightage, and shortlisted candidate will be called for interview in the ratio of 1:5. 5 candidates will be called for 1 vacancy. Now how to apply? Friends, it's a 2-step process. First, you have to submit your application through online mode only by visiting website of the company. Then after completing your application, you need to download your online application, and system will generate a unique registration number, and with that you have to attach all your supporting document and send it to their mentioned address at this location of the company. And you have to also write on the top of envelope this application for the post of Assistant Manager Finance on direct recruitment basis, and the notification number is also to be mentioned. Now service bond and probation period is mentioned. A candidate need to execute a service bond of rupees 2 lakh plus GST and cost of training if any to serve the corporation for minimum period of 2 years. So you need to execute your service bond to serve the company for minimum 2 years, and in case you leave in between, you have to pay rupees 2 lakh plus taxes. and after joining, employee has to undergo a probation period of 2 years. So basically your entire service bond period is a probation period only. And here they have mentioned that computation of overall experience for the candidate is to be considered as follows: that if you are having a private company experience, you will given a weightage of 80%, and if you are having experience in the government sector, then 100% weightage is to be provided. So if you are already a government employee, then it will be an advantage for you. And here they have specifically mentioned teaching or freelancing experience shall not be considered as a qualifying experience. And in case you are having any query, you can write an email to them at the mentioned email address, and if you want to contact them, you can contact them at the mentioned phone number. So that's all, friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria and interested in applying for this post, then you can definitely give it a try. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.